Hey guys, welcome back to another episode with Hudson Lighting. This week we're building some black sparklights with varying cable lengths for GRDN Landscape and Design. So stay tuned to see the results. So hey guys, you may not have seen Liam before. He's one of our apprentices currently serving, who's been with us for a year and a half. Liam, what are you setting up at the moment?
I'm setting up the spike tops right now for GRDN. I'm about to touch up a drill with the Renishaw probe.
So Liam, what's Renishaw probing arm actually do?
Well, the probing arm actually touches off the length and the width of the tool.
Okay.
And when you put it in and machine it, we know that the part's coming out exactly how the drawing should be.
Awesome, thanks man. So guys, this is Pat. He's been instrumental in our parts quality for powder coat and anodise and the part preparation, etc. And he's been with us since May, so you've probably not seen him before. Pat, what are you up to?
I'm anodising, Chris.
Okay, what does anodising do?
Just leaves another coat onto the aluminium
Yeah.
for weather.
Okay, so it just gives us a bit more corrosion resistance.
It does. It helps to prolong the alley.
Yeah, make the part last a lot longer, I guess. Cool, thank you very much.
Welcome.
So guys, right now Pat is behind me spraying those parts that we've just had come through. So there's a common misconception with powder coating. It's actually dry, not wet, and that means that the powder can be blown off. So if, for instance, you make a mistake, you can literally just air gun it off and respray it again. It's only once it goes in the oven that it gets cured. Now, we do have another method to actually remove the powder. We have an acid once it's actually been set. Really don't want to get to that though. Normally with the powder, you can kind of hang the part, hold the part, look at the part and see it, and you'll see whether or not there's actually any issues, any defects that are going to happen with it before it actually goes in and cures in the oven. So guys, I hope that you agree that those spotlights came out really, really well, and I hope that GRDN are over the moon with them, and hopefully their end client is too. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a like and well, a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks very much.